What are 3 reasons you must wear a headset for work? Let's find out. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up you don't want to miss out. Number 1 is clear communication. So your audience can hear you. So your team can hear you. Whenever I do my virtual presentation workshops, the biggest issue that I always have on the first day in the morning is that people simply don't have a good mic. What do they use? They use their computer mic. And I tell you what I tell them. No, your computer mic is not enough. It's not good enough. It is not okay. Okay, you have to get a proper mic. You have to get a proper headset. Yeah, clear communication is really important because miscommunication really loses companies money. Okay, there are many studies and research about that, but just to share with you a quick one, right, was that small companies with 100 employees or less lose up to 420,000 US dollars because of miscommunication. Don't let it happen to your company. Don't let it happen to your career, to your job. Communicate clearly, get a headset. Number 2, you have more flexibility. Now, what do most people use again? Their computer mic. Terrible option. What you have to do, you have to have your mouth very close to your computer, very close to your laptop, to your Mac, whatever it might be, to get a good sound. Yeah, these professional mics, is not much better actually for work communication because still you have to be very close to the microphone so they can hear you. If you, on the other hand though, if you have a headset, you can move around, okay? It's a beautiful thing. If you have to get something from next to your desk, behind your desk, you want to make a point, you want to get up, you want to move around, it's fantastic. Get a headset, make sure you do it. I made a different video comparing mics and headset and why they're better and what are really the differences. So make sure you watch that one as well. But get a headset for more movement. It's more interesting for your audience, for your team as well. Number 3, a headset is better for your health. Do you think it's a good idea always during work leaning forward? Leaning forward, kind of hunching your back on your desk. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a very, very bad thing. Yeah, a headset allows for greater flexibility. Make sure you have a straight back. Also with a headset, by the way, if you have a standing desk or you put your laptop on the shelves in the office, you can move around with that as well. But it's really so much better for your health, so consider that point as well. And lastly, a little bonus reason, you look more professional. You look more professional, right? You want your team or your audience to think, oh wow, look, he came prepared. He came professional, or she came professional, she came prepared. It gives you that tiny bit of an edge that I recommend you have, but it looks professional, so make sure you get a headset. So comment below on time, which of these 3 reasons is the most important one for you, why you should get a headset. Again, if you haven't done it yet, make sure to hit subscribe. Lots of great videos coming up. You don't want to miss out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share it with a friend. We care, we share, right? And by the way, most importantly, of course, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.